Hi everyone, I just want to jump on real quick and give you a quick demonstration of how MyloDocs works. Um, it's pretty simple, it's pretty straightforward, so we're just going to jump right into it. When you first log in, you're going to see this empty screen. There's no documentation sites yet, so we're going to create our first one. You click the little button down here called New Docs, and that opens the Create Doc wizard. So the first thing you have to do is put in a name, so I'm going to call Demo Site. Site. And then we're going to have to link up our Git. So first of all, I'm going to go over to GitHub and show you the repo I've created. It's just a empty repo. It has a readme.md file in it, and I named it test.doc. So pretty straightforward. So we're going to jump back to MyloDocs now and authorize Git. I've already authorized, so it's going to pull back my repos, but you guys will have to do the step in between. So let's pull back my repos, and I'm going to get test docs. So there's the test doc. So I'm going to click that, finish, and now it's going to sync with our GitHub. And when you get to the screen, it means it's building your site. So it's just going to sit here until our site's finished building, and then it will redirect you to your site once it's finished. Doesn't take too long. And there you have it. Our first documentation site's created. Pretty simple right now. As you can see, there's not much on it. We're going to actually go back to MyloDocs and do some custom branding. So we're going to upload a logo image and a homepage image. So down here you can see there's logo images and homepage image. So I'm going to select a file, upload my logo, then I'm going to upload my homepage image. Just going to be that. So open, and I'm going to save. So those are going to be uploaded, and then our site will be rebuilt. So while we do that, just quickly going to jump back over to GitHub and just see what happened to our repo. So when you create it from a blank repository, it will create a new branch called version 1.0 for you. So we're going to jump over to that. And then it's going to put in a couple files that you need to get the documentation site up and running. The first one is digest.md. That just contains our menu. So as you can see, it's just a markdown file with lists and links. So that was your menu on your website. We'll go back over there in a sec. And then the first .md is just your first MD file that you need. You also need a readme.md file, which is going to be the overview for your website. So we're going to jump back to the website just to see if our logos have uploaded. Refresh, and there we go. So we now have a logo and a homepage image, and that's it. So you have your first documentation site. You don't have to spend much time actually in MyloDocs, which is how we like it. You can just focus on writing great documentation for your users. So thanks everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you for using MyloDocs.